Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me I have OPPO Reno15 Pro. In this video I want to show you how to use split screen and also flexible windows on this device. So let's begin first of all with split screen. This is the mode that divides your screen into two halves, and also it allows you to use two applications simultaneously. So there are two main methods how you can activate it. In both cases you want to first of all open the application that you want to use for your split screen, and now if you use as your navigation you use gestures. So if you have this bar at the bottom side of the screen, you want to drag it, you want to swipe up and drag your application to split view like this, and now you can open the second application for your split screen view. And the second method, let's again open this application and let's go to Recent tab, and in the application preview you want to tap on its icon right here, and let's tap split view. And again open the second application. Now once enabled you can use this middle horizontal bar. You can drag it up or down to resize the windows. Okay, and now to exit you can just do this move. Now with the flexible windows, which are floating windows, it allows you to have a small version of application that floats over your current screen. Again, there are two main methods how you can activate flexible windows. The first option is using Smart Sidebar. So as you can see here, if you use your Smart Sidebar, you have to swipe this sidebar inward like this and then tap application for your flexible windows. I don't know, let's go with photos for example, and this is your flexible window. And the second option is from Recent tab. So let's open Recent applications, and now tap three dots on application, not like this, right here, and let's select floating window. And now let me show you the controls. First of all, you can resize the window. You can make it a larger or smaller by dragging any of the bottom corners like this. So on the left and on the right you have that corner. Additionally, you can move your floating window around. So you want to drag the bar at the top like this. And additionally you can tap the top bar to shrink this window into tiny mini window by tapping minimize. As you can see like this, it will stay in the corner. Yeah, and I think that's all. So yes, if you want to close your floating window, you want to tap this three dot button and let's select close option. So that is basically how it works. That's how you can use split screen and flexible windows on OPPO Reno15 Pro device. I really hope that this video helps you, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.